Hi, I'm Jen, visiting Anna's channel again this week to share how I built this freestanding mantle behind me with the help of my children and my partner. It took about 2 hours to build from start to finish and cost under $50. I live in a rental and I wanted a place to hang our stockings and to decorate, and Anna has the stocking stand plan as well as some mantle plans, but it wasn't exactly what I was looking for. I wanted something sort of in between the two, so Anna came up with this. And the best part, you still have time to build it in time for the holidays. So I'm just getting started on this mantle, but the whole family wanted to help put it together, paint it, and decorate it. So I'm just gonna cut the pieces now while they're at school, and when they get home, we'll put it all together. Okay, so here's all the boards. There will be 2 more 1x6s cut to fit once we have it all assembled. The dark gray here. So I'm just gonna wait for the kids to get home. Okay, we have the whole crew here. We are going to knock this out. It should only take about 20 minutes. Yeah! Okay, so we're just gonna measure 1.25 inches in on each side. Okay.
There you go. Now,
so then just make a straight line.
Mark it. Stop right here.
Good job.
Measure 1.25 inches on the other board, both sides. Okay, once you have your lines on that side, we're just gonna flip it over and do the same thing on the other side. So the 2x4s are gonna go flush to the back. However, this 2x10 board right here will be screwed in from the bottom. So we're gonna actually have to flip this board over, but we're gonna go ahead and pre-start the screws. So we're just gonna mark where the 2x4 is gonna go. This will make sense in a minute. And then this 2x6 is the top board. We're gonna pre-start the screws there, and we're gonna do the same on this end. Okay, so now we're just gonna attach this first 2x4, sandwich it between the top and bottom board. And since we have a line on the inside of the boards, we know where this needs to meet up here. Before we add these next 2x4 supports, we want to make sure our 1x6 is a true 1x6. So I'm just going to measure it. It is 5.5. So what we're going to do is we're going to come over here and we're going to measure 5.5 over from this board. Okay, so this next board, we'll need to bang it in there, but we'll attach it right inside that, and then we'll just have a doubled up 2x4, kind of like a stud in a wall, and then we're gonna cap it with the 1x6. Same thing, we're just measuring 5.5 in from that first line on each side, so we know where to start our screws.
Flush.
Flush.
Okay, so the frame is all done. Now all we need to do is add the face boards, the 1x boards. So this 1x8, we're just going to nail it. I'm using 1¼ nails, and I'm gonna nail right into the 2x4s. And then we will cut the 1x6 piece that goes here on each side, and then it's done, ready to sand and finish. One more thing, I'm not gonna glue any of this because I might wanna take it apart and store it and then put it back up again next year. So no glue, just screws and nails. All right, who wants to pull that measurement?
Me.
All right, who's gonna help him to double check that he's giving Mom the right measurement?
Me. That's smart.
Perfect.
Okay, go ahead and pull it, Bo, from
So we need a measurement
Here
from there to that
here.
board. And
Holy
you get your number and then we'll see if me and Wilson get the same.
how are you gonna do it?
Turn it.
Turn it, start on that end with your metal piece that you're pulling out. Yes, all the way up.
There you go. And you hold it. Or have someone else hold it.
Okay, what is 28. 6/8.
Well, you must hold on. There.
6/8, huh? 28.
There.
What
Actually,
is 6/8, Brooklyn?
3/4. 3/4.
3/4. 28 3/4.
How smart you. 28 and 3/4.
Okay. All right, so that took us about a half hour, 45 minutes, and we're making memories here. We can't wait to finish this up. We're gonna put some wood filler in and sand it tonight, and then tomorrow we'll come back and paint it and decorate it. So we're super excited. Anna always comes up with awesome plans that are just super beginner friendly. This is gonna look great in our house, and it's gonna be a nice place to decorate for Christmas and hang our stockings.
Stay tuned. Happy holidays.
Happy holidays and Merry Christmas. So that was a super fun build. Thank you for watching. Merry Christmas from our family to yours. I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you do build this, please share and tag Anna White. Anna will be back with a brand new video next week. Until next time, Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.